How to fix Add Music to Profile not showing on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you're on your Instagram and when you go to edit profile and this option, Add Music to your profile is not showing up, in this video we are going to show you how we can fix that issue. So for that, first thing is make sure you have updated your app to the latest version, as the latest version of the app only allows us to add music in our profile. So go ahead and search for Instagram. And if there is any kind of update available, you can just go ahead and click on this update option right here and wait for the update to be completed and then try to see if that option is available yet or not. Otherwise, the next thing you can do is go ahead and install the application. And once installed, head over to your available app store again and download it from there. And once download is completed, re-log in into your account and try seeing that feature again. Otherwise, the last method we can apply is head over to the application, go to the info tab and then go to storage. Once you're here on storage, clear up the data as well as the cache, and once that is done, it should probably fix your issue. Otherwise, you can also contact the Instagram support center and tell them to fix your issue of the music profile not being shown on Instagram. So that is how you fix Add Music to Profile not showing on Instagram by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.